Good morning, America, good afternoon, Europe, good evening, Asia, and Pacific. Welcome to our 7th CIRPe Global Web Conference sponsored by the International Academy for Production Engineering, CIRP. Thanks for staying with us. It is a great honor for me to welcome you to the second day of the conference. Like yesterday, in the forthcoming 2 days, we are broadcasting this conference live from Berlin, Germany. My name is Pınar Bilge. I'm one of the members of the local organizing committee of the CIRPe2019. The series of the CIRPe Global Web Conferences is hosted by the CIRP International Academy for the Production Engineering. Each year, the conference is chaired and volunteered by CIRP research affiliates, and it is sponsored by 2 different CIRP fellows. The content is peer-reviewed by senior CIRP members and other experts. The papers are published in Procedia CIRP at Elsevier. The conferencing format is purely digital, which means that there is no physical conference but only a live stream on YouTube, which you are watching now, sending to you from Berlin, Germany. Now, the CIRP conference has been organized since 6 years from different institutes. And its nature is a cross-domain research. This thought and the discussions we had at Research Affiliates Program, General Assemblies, workshops, meetings, and other conferences has helped us to develop this year's conference team. The team revolves around the question how and why production value stream patterns will shift when data, models, and technology is inferred. Let me outline the innovations we introduced this year. First, we introduced 2 highlighted papers yesterday, right after the opening session. These papers should highlight collaborations among research affiliates of CIRP and give perspectives of these groups. Don't worry if you have missed it. The videos are going to be accessible online after the conference, and you can just click to the link below to see the videos from yesterday. Secondly, we have a number of research papers, and within the 3 days, they are going to be presented by corresponding authors, and they have been peer-reviewed in advance on a basis of 113 reviewers. At the end, we have 47 presentations within the 3 days. As next, we are delighted to introduce an industrial panel discussion tomorrow, which also evaluates all of the accepted research papers. And fourth, as you can see, we are live on YouTube for these 3 days. Coming back to the industry panel, Oliver Schwabe from Rolls-Royce is the moderator and initiator of this improvement for our conference. He is keen with innovation management, and he will organize and also moderate this session tomorrow from live stream 1. The main idea of this industrial session is giving a feedback to the authors from an industrial perspective. And the panel is going to consist of multiple experts, namely Andy Nolan, Program Manager from Rolls-Royce, Rene Wenzel, Head of Project Management from Rolls-Royce Company, Chris Campbell, Project Manager at the Rolls-Royce Company, as well as Tanja Misfeld, Associate Partner by Ernst & Young, Fiona Zamler, Professor for Manufacturing Technology, University of Applied Sciences for Engineering and Economics from Berlin. So, let me give you some technical information for this live stream. We have 2 live streams, and they are broadcasted through this YouTube channel. Individual live streams are scheduled for each conference day. And the paper sessions today are going to be shown to you through 2 live streams, live stream 1 and 2. We are now on the live stream 2. please follow the link below to go to the live stream 1. Like yesterday, we are gonna have presentations which are played as a pre-record video, and after each presentation we would like to have a questions and answers session with the presenting author. For this session, please feel free to post your questions to the authors during the video presentation on the live chat on YouTube. And we are going to collect the questions and discuss them live with the authors just after the video presentation. If you would like to post your contribution or as well as the conference, please feel free to hashtag our CIRPe conference. So when we have a look at the conference program briefly, we are on the second day of the conference. Don't worry if you have missed the first day. You can watch everything on YouTube online. Just follow the link below for it. Yesterday we had an opening session and the presentations of 2 highlighted papers. After that, we had a paper session on livestream 1, which was subjected shop floor operations and maintenance. On this live stream, we had a session about automation planning and configuration. Today, on the second day of the conference, we are going to have another 2 live streams. The first live stream is available on this YouTube channel as well. Today, the live stream 1 are gonna show you contributions about 3 aspects of production engineering. These are form-based processes and metrology. The second one is cutting, grinding, and spindles. And the third one is value streams and lifecycle engineering. So I hope we have earned the privilege of your time. As next, you can see the conference program on this live stream. And we are going to have around 12 presentations today about 2 aspects of production engineering. First 7 papers are about robotics, automation, and assembly. And the next 5 papers are going to be about additive, coating, hybrid, and incremental manufacturing.